How to fix Instagram collaborator problem in less than 50 seconds. Yes guys, in less than 50 seconds I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps right here and now wait a few seconds. It will start loading the apps that you have on your phone, and after that you have to scroll until you find the Play Store. Click on this force stop option and then go back, search for Instagram, click on it, click on this force stop again, and this time click on the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click on the permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and then go back to the home page. Open the Play Store on your phone or the App Store. You can do the same thing, search for Instagram and update it like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.